Home. Sweetest home. These years have been rough.
Mom?
I might be the luckiest and the most adventurous person in my town. And for the third time, story repeats.
You're not going with this, you filthy, wimpy thing.
Wet bandits will get you, little Kevin.
I'm not letting you come through my house, no matter what.
You're gonna pay for everything.
When you'll come, be sure I'll be ready.
Evening.